Hello, I'm António Correia. I'm the head of the Earthquake Engineering and Structural Dynamics unit of LNEC, one of the access providers within the ERIES project. We've had a lot of work and a lot of connections with different research groups throughout Europe and other countries around the world in this project. And it's wonderful how the synergies and the relationship that stays for future cooperations with other research groups, but also with the industry, with small and medium enterprises, with the construction industry, which are developing new products and need to be tested, need to be assessed, what is their characteristics, their response to seismic actions. So this is a pan-European project which brings everybody together, increases the synergy between all the intervening people, and it's something which brings a lot of added value for the community. So not just in terms of access to the data which is produced from the experimental testing, but all that you can do with that data and with all the results that we have been testing. So we were looking at things like seismic and energy retrofitting, so integrated retrofitting. We were looking at new materials, new design methods for civil engineering structures, several different types of construction systems which were tested in our lab, and in all the other 69 user groups that were working in all the facilities providing access.